Hey friends and family, I just wanted to hop on to share with you some tips and tricks for our YouTube channel. Okay, so our tips and tricks today for YouTube are specifically for parents or teachers that are on here. Number one, speed. Number two, closed captions. Number three, how to like, subscribe, and click the bell. And then number four, how you give future suggestions for me. So here I am on our page, and I'm going to just show you really quickly how to navigate so that you are able to, number one, do speed. So when you click a video and you are thinking, you know what, that is just too fast for me, I prefer it to be a little bit slower, or you're thinking, wow, she's speaking a little bit too slow, I'd like her to speed it up, then go ahead and click the cog wheel. When it opens, playback speed right now is set for normal, and you can slow me way down or you can speed me way up. Some reasons why you might choose to do this is if I just sound like I'm going too quickly or I sound like I'm speaking too slow. For parents or for teachers, you might actually want to just listen to it really, really quickly. Go ahead and click 2 and listen to me times 2 so that then you can get a preview of what you are going to be showing your children or your students. And then a third thing that might be true is if you have students or a child that is learning English and they are still at the stage of needing to have slower speech, then certainly you can slow it down a little bit at a level that would be comfortable. Okay, so second thing would be for you to add closed captions. So closed captions right next to the settings, which we used before, remember, to change the playback speed, you can either click subtitles here and go to English, which are auto-generated, or you can click that CC right here, which means closed captions or subtitles. Unfortunately, because it is pre-filled, some of them might be off, but hopefully most of it will be comprehensible. Some of the reasons why you might want to use closed captions is if you want to kind of challenge your kid or your students to be reading along while I'm talking. Matching my words to the words that are written can be helpful for kids that are learning how to read. Another reason might be, once again, if you have students or a child that is newer to English and is wanting to really see the written word with the spoken word, then you can certainly add closed captions for that. And of course, you can use this closed caption feature for anybody that is hard of hearing or would like the additional written text support as an accommodation. Okay, so for the third thing that I'm going to teach you is how to like, subscribe, and to hit the bell to get notifications. So I am going to show you first, we are going to subscribe. When I press subscribe, it actually says subscribed, but you see how my bell is still just gray, and that means that I would not get any notifications for new videos that come up. So I'm going to click the bell as well, and then it'll tell me I can either personalize what type of notifications I want, or I can just keep it on all, and that will send me a message, however you're signed into your YouTube account, and let me know every time I add a video. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to like something. Very easy. There's a thumbs up button underneath my video. If you enjoyed the video, if you plan to use it, if you're excited about the content, if you enjoyed it, then go ahead and click the thumbs up for I like this. That will help me know what type of content I should produce more of, or what type of books you are interested in, activities you're interested in me doing with your kids or your students. Okay, last thing that I wanted to share with you is future suggestions. Contact me, please, please, please. Email me at teachforjusticechannel@gmail.com or tag me on Instagram at teachforjusticechannel. And I will certainly be excited to hear from you and take into account everything that you have suggested for me to either read or do for activities, requests, or suggestions. And I really, really appreciate any of the feedback. So thanks so much for tuning in today. I will have a new video up pretty soon. I am in the midst of working on the suggestions that I have received so far. Thank you for those of you who have liked, who have subscribed, who have put up notifications, and who are engaging with the work. All right, I hope you have a good day. Bye.